Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check blocked users on Snapchat. We start by entering Snapchat and clicking on our username. After that, click on the top settings icon and in the following window as well. Here, we will go down and click on the blocked users option. Finally, we can see the users that we have blocked and if we want to use the side icon to unblock them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.